5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton and Mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 1 spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, today let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic.
Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says, more, more, more. Ben needs a giant candy ware. As yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. 1 apple slices on a plate. 1 crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play.
Healthy habits like
Oh no! Side of the Dino Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said, oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Why do they fix the train? All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Pete and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles something nice is fly. Big round face in the sky. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Thinks of the moon like Molokai. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low a step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back! But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. We'll see the sky. Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net. She grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up, high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling. Bye, bye, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns. What a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skitty saved the Y2K. Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus. Go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No. 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Bliss, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Bang! Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, hunter. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boom! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dina runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. A brave kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away.
Much better.
Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you help me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap.
Wonderful news, Kitty.
All is good, no more scare. Help is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling